Hello and welcome back. I'm just going to do a few minute video, just a bit of a chit chat. I've got some other videos already filmed, so if you're sneaky in, you might see stuff in the background. There's videos coming up, but I thought I'd just do a quick hello midweek, see how they go, talk about a few bits I've ordered, things I'm thinking about, things I need, and we'll just go from there. I'll try and keep it sort of 5 minutes if I can, and yeah, just something for you to do while you're having a poo or whatever. So we're just down the farm. So first things first, after some 19mm rubber pipe, rubber tubing, elbows, bends, 90s, whatever, anything that you've got left over for sort of heater sort of size cars, heater, let me know if you need us, and I'll get in contact, mg@16vmini.co.uk, and or via Facebook or whatever. Just that and 32mm, just any old hoses you've got laying around. They're always useful, even if they're not on this project, they come in handy for the next projects. Those sort of 32mm and 19mm are very common for most of these cars, and yeah, it'd be nice to buy silicone hose, and I will buy silicone if I need to, if I have to. But if anyone's got some older rubber hoses, even second-hand ones, I don't mind, used ones, it will do. So working on, you'll see in a future video, some clutch lines. I've picked up some cable. I had some fittings anyway, but I've managed to pick up the other bulk fitting. I've got some compression fittings that will go on to the metal pipes that are coming from the clutch master on the Mini, and then we've got like a little bulkhead fitting in there as well, like you see on Mini brakes or whatever like that, Mini flexi hoses. So that will go on the bulkhead down one side, or the other side down there, and go up to the copper pipe, which then joins up to the quick fixing on the clutch slave. That will then run copper to the front of the car, which will then we'll do a compression fitting onto the, I think it's quarter size on that. It's 3/16 the back, so we've sort of do a little converter. I don't mind doing the compression fittings on the on clutch lines. It's not the end of the world, is it? It's not the highest of pressures, and if they burst, what happens? You just lose a clutch. Yeah, one day we can replace it, but anyway, for now, so that's that. Fuel line I've been looking at, because again I'm trying to get ready for fire up, so we need fuel lines. So this is what came with the engine. To be honest, I have done it before. Just flare some copper or pipe or whatever, shove it in there to the front, whatever you're doing, off you go. But as small children could be watching, I thought I'd try and do it a little bit properly. So this is like a metric conical cone fitting. I've managed to pick up that with an AN fitting on the end, and we've ordered ourselves up a AN fuel pipe kit with some elbows and things like that, and hopefully that'll be enough to run to the front. The return line I can just use standard rubber injection pipe. It's a push fitting onto the car anyway, so again it's low pressure, so I just didn't want to try too many joins in the actual engine bay. It'd be nice one day just to maybe have one join straight onto hard line, but for now we just run air equip type hose, fake air equip hose to the front. The other thing we've got to do is, try not to get in the way, it's the fuel pump. So I've looked up online, I got this fuel pump, I don't know if I've said it in one video or another video. It should be an MPI or thing, so I've already looked, and it says if it's a green top, more than likely it's an SPR, which is not what we want, because that's for single point injection. We want multi-point. Still might not be, it should be fine for the Audi engine in standard form. Sure, boost it, whatever, later we'll upgrade it, but the key thing is we know how to do multi-point. So the trouble is, it is brand new, but I've left it laying around, and we need to check the part number, which I did see the other day, but now I can't. No, the part number's gone. Trying to do this as one video just so I don't have to bloody upload it again. Oh, there's the number. Yeah, I think it is. It's MPI. So that's good, hopefully. So that's good. We'll use that. So again, they're supposed to have quick push fittings, which you can get from the MER, but then they go to rubber. But again, for now, near the front of the car, I don't mind push fitting so much, because hey, if you piss fuel out when you're testing stuff at the front of the car, it's not so bad. When your engine's in the back, that is. What else we've got? Yeah, cage stuff. We still haven't do the cage. We've got to crack on with the cage at some point. But yeah, that's it. We've done quite a lot of bit of work on the intercooler that you see in the next few weeks. As I said, I'm away for a few weeks in November, so I'm just trying to stack up. So at least you're going to get a video every week. I'm trying to do 2, but I just can't. But anyway, thanks for just having a quick update. If you want to support me anyway, as I said, let me know the size of your rubbers. And yeah, we'll go from there. Check out the description if you want to have it in the way. Just hit the like button and check out some of my old videos as well. I know a lot of people don't. Just check out my playlist. I've done lots of sort of restorations and projects and things. Have a look around. Please have a look around. All right, jacket potatoes for tea. I might have a bit of chicken out with a bit of cheese on top as well.